Welcome to this video training course. I'm going to lead you step by step on how to enable an automation rule. With the automation rules, you can automatically switch your subscribers from buyer's list to non-buyer's list, or vice versa. It is extremely easy. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, after you log into the Aweber account, find the List option button at the top right menu bar. Move your cursor to the button and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on the List Automation button. When you're on this page, you will see there is a drop-down menu at the bottom, above the Save Automation Rule button. As you can see, there are 4 options in the drop-down menu. Choose the action you would like to activate. You are able to switch the current list subscribers to another list when they unsubscribe from the list. In this case, the action will be activated when the subscribers of I Am How To list unsubscribe and subscribe to another list of mine. Once you're done selecting the action and list, click on the Save Automation Rule. As you can see from here, there's one automation rule that I've set up before this. If you do not want this automation rule to take action anymore, you can delete it. Just click on the red cross button and click Yes. And that's all you need to know on how to set up an automation rule.